Hi everyone! So in today's video, I will show you how to book a hot desk using the MyLobby Hoteling app. So the first thing we need to do is to go into the app, and once you're there, select hot desk from the list. Let's say I'm planning to work in the office, so I will select the location of my building and then the date and time. Let's say I will work from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Next, select your travel time. Say it will take me 30 minutes to get to the office. You can send yourself alerts or reminders. Let's say I want to be reminded 2 hours before, so let's select that from the list. Then let's select and set a second reminder. I will select 30 minutes before. Under meeting link, you can add a meeting link if you have one or if you need to be in one when you get to the office. Then, I will just write down the agenda of the meeting, let's say developing a new website page for product testimonials. Let's hit next. I can now select my desk or where I want to work in the office. I can select my desk in two ways, either a list view or a floor plan view. The list view will just give me the name of the desks and the floor. Whereas the floor plan view, I could actually see the office floor and where the desks are located and which ones are available or not. The green dots here signify that these are the available desks, whereas the red dots would mean that the desk has already been taken or is not available. After I have selected my desk, a summary of my booking will appear. If you have made a mistake, click Modify and you will be brought back to the second page so you can fix any errors you have made. Otherwise, click Confirm. Then that's it. You have now successfully booked a hot desk. The last thing is to check the confirmation email and text message that will be sent to you right after this. And that's how you book a hot desk using the MyLobby Hoteling app. Pretty easy, right? If you want to know more, leave a comment down below or visit our website at mylobby.co. Thanks for watching!